In this video I'm gonna show you how to trade crypto with leverage on the BingX exchange so that you can grow your capital much faster compared to if you trade without leverage or if you just passively invest. What's important for you guys to know is that trading with leverage only makes sense if you have a profitable trading strategy. Because the leverage increases your risk, and if you don't have a profitable trading strategy, you're gonna lose all of your money fast. Increasing your risk with leverage only makes sense if you have a profitable trading strategy, because that's how you capitalize on the profitability and you grow your account much faster, especially if you have very little trading capital. That's actually exactly what I did back in the day when I first developed my profitable trading strategy and I had very little capital to trade. I used leverage to grow my $1,000 account to $300,000. So if you have a profitable trading strategy, then this video is exactly for you. But if you don't have one, I suggest you not to mess with leverage just yet. What you should do instead is to go to www.satsincome.com, scroll down, click on learn to trade crypto for free, add your name and email address, and you're gonna get access to this course, which consists of 150 video lessons, and you guys are going to get free lifetime access. Normally people charge between $1,000 and $2,000 for such a course, but you guys can get it completely free, no strings attached. I suggest you go through the whole course. So if you go to section number 4, you will find plenty of videos teaching you guys complete trading strategies. Now let's get to business. This is how the BingX exchange looks like. And the first thing that you guys have to do is to navigate to this button right here on the top right side where it says demo trading and click this. What is demo trading? Demo trading is exactly like real trading but with fake money. So you can see here that I have $100,000 in capital. These are fake money. It's something called VST. You can use this money to trade with leverage and get a feel of the whole process without risking any real capital. Even if you have a profitable trading strategy, I still suggest you guys first to do demo trading to gain a lot of experience, and only after you see positive results on a demo account, you see that you can grow this fake money. Only after that it makes sense to switch to a real account and risk real money. The leverage increases your risk, so if you don't know what you are doing, you can lose your money fast. That's why practice on a demo account first. To successfully grow your trading capital with leverage, you guys need to apply strict risk management. This is something that many people are missing, especially beginners. What is risk management? Risk management is risking a certain percentage of your account on a single trade. It might be 1%, it might be 2%, it might be 3%, it might be even higher. It depends how profitable your trading strategy is. So how do you trade with risk management? Well, you can use the good old calculator and calculate everything yourself, but this is hard, right? The better thing to do is to go again to our free course, go to section 7, effortlessly track your crypto trades with our journal, click this link to get our journal. By the way, here you can see a lot of videos on how to use the journal, but I'm gonna show you the basics in this video. So click here to get the new journal. The journal will be in view only mode, so you won't be able to edit it. What you have to do, guys, in order to be able to edit this journal is to create your own copy, and you create your own copy by clicking on file and then make a copy. Give it whatever name you want, my crypto journal. Click on make a copy and you're gonna have your own copy in your Google Drive. So now what do you do first? You go to the trades tab in order to adjust your starting balance, if you have to. The journal comes with a starting balance of $100,000, and that's how much a fake capital you get on the BingX exchange with the demo trading. You can do the same thing on other exchanges, right? And if they give you less capital, you have to change here the starting balance, right? So let's say that you are trading on Bybit or Binance, you are demo trading and they give you $50,000. Well, you're gonna change here the balance to $50,000. But in this case on BingX, you're gonna be trading on a $100,000 demo account, so you don't really have to change the balance right here. The next thing that you guys have to do is to get rid of these sample trades here. So delete the entry price and the amounts, delete the stop loss price, delete the exit price. That's how you're gonna start with a fresh P&L here. You see there is no P&L, there is no profit, there is no loss. If I go to the stats tab, there is no data as well, right? Because this stats tab is gonna track your win rate and all this type of things, but all of this will be just fresh when you get rid of the trades, because here you guys are gonna be adding your own trades, right? So let's start with the first trade. How do you enter a trade with a strict risk management? Let's say that your profitable trading strategy gives you a signal to enter Bitcoin long trade right now. How do you do that? Well, the first thing that you have to do is to go to the position size tab to calculate how much Bitcoin you should buy. The next thing that you have to do is to add here your account balance, which is $100,000. You have to add the entry price, which is 51,482. Then you have to add the stop loss price. Where do you get the stop loss price from? You get the stop loss price from your strategy, right? You guys need a complete trading strategy which tells you exactly where to enter, exactly where to place your stop loss, and exactly where to exit. So here is the custom indicator which I use for trading. It tells me where to enter Bitcoin, where to place my stop loss, and where to exit. This is what you guys need. So you get the stop loss price from whatever strategy you are using, right? Let's say that the stop loss price is at $50,000. You add the stop loss price right here. You add the take profit price. Let's say that your take profit is at $53,500. You add here this number, and then the next thing that you guys need to add is basically the percentage risk on trade. So this is the risk management which I was referring to earlier. You have to come up with a number that you want to risk per trade. I suggest you guys start with 1%. Later on, when you gain experience, you can risk more than that. What does this mean? Well, it means that if you lose this trade, if it goes against you and your stop loss gets hit, you're gonna lose 1% of your account. 1% of $100,000 is $1,000. So once you add this data in the yellow cells right here, this section with the orange cells is gonna give you the amount of Bitcoin that you need to buy. So you gotta buy 0.67 Bitcoin if we talk in terms of Bitcoin, or if we talk in terms of dollars, you gotta buy Bitcoin worth $34,738. What you guys have to remember is that these orange cells, there are formulas in here, so you should not edit this, right? You only add data to the yellow cells. Now, the next thing that you guys have to do is to actually enter your trade. So let's head over to BingX to open a long trade. Now, the question here is, are we gonna apply leverage, and what leverage are we gonna apply? Well, we have $100,000 in capital, right? We need $34,000 in order to enter this trade. So we have all the capital needed to enter this trade, and in such cases, it doesn't really make sense to use leverage, guys, because when you use leverage you pay funding fees. It's basically like getting a loan from the bank and paying interest, and you don't want to do that if you have the capital needed, right? You only do that when you don't have the capital needed. So after that, we're gonna open Ethereum trade, XRP trade, whatever, right? When you have multiple trades open simultaneously, that's when you apply leverage. You apply leverage when you basically run out of capital. In this case, we can just lower the long leverage to something like 1 and hit confirm, right? Because we're gonna be trading long. Now, to enter this trade, you can either add the amount of Bitcoin that you wanna buy, or you can add the USDT amount. Now, our spreadsheet gives you both, right? So it's really up to you. In this case, the default is adding the BTC amount, so that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna get the amount of Bitcoin from the spreadsheet and we're gonna enter it right here. So it's 0.67 BTC. The next thing that you guys have to do is to enable this long take profit stop loss, because that's where you're gonna be adding your take profit and stop loss prices. We already figured out that our stop loss is at $50,000 and the take profit is at $53,300. So let's add it here, $53,500 for a take profit and $50,000 for a stop loss. So this trade is either gonna go against us and we're gonna lose $980, or it's gonna go in our favor and we're gonna make $1,364. These numbers we guys got out of thin air for the purpose of the video, but in real life, as I already explained you, you're gonna have a trading strategy and you're gonna be getting these numbers from your trading strategy, right? These numbers don't come out of thin air. It's very important for you to understand that if you get it out of thin air, you're gonna lose all of your money if you trade with real capital, right? You get these numbers from your trading strategy. I get these numbers from my trading strategy, right? But as you can see, I am already in a trade. First of all, I entered here at 28,000. I rolled Bitcoin all the way up here. My stop loss was at $27,000. Then I exited Bitcoin. Then I enter again right here, and I am in a Bitcoin trade as we speak. And I'm giving you here these numbers just as an example, right? How you do this. The next thing that you guys have to do is basically just to open this trade. Click on open long, hit confirm, and you're gonna have this trade active. That's how you enter a long trade. Now, what about entering a short trade? Let's switch to Ethereum, and let's say that your trading strategy gives you a signal to short Ethereum. The current price is $3,102 and this is gonna be your entry short price. So you add it right here, $3,102. Let's say that your strategy tells you to place your stop loss right above this level right here at $3,150. $3,150. Your take profit it's gonna be at $3,000. So this is gonna be like a quick scalp and you wanna risk 1% of your account on this trade. Well, that's the amount of Ethereum that you guys have to short and that's the USDT equivalent of that. So what you guys have to do next is to go right here, add the amount of Ethereum, which again you get from the spreadsheet is 20.83. Enable the short take profit stop loss, enter your take profit which we said is gonna be 3,000, enter your stop loss trigger which we said is gonna be 3,150, adjust your leverage, so in this case we need $64,000, we have $65,000, we're actually gonna apply leverage because I will show you how to open even more trades, right? And we're gonna run out of capital. So we can just lower the leverage a little bit to something like 10x. Hit confirm and open your short trade. Bam, right here we have a short Ethereum trade. Something else that you guys have to do is to actually add these trades to your trading journal. So if we head over to the trades tab, we can do that now. So first of all, you can enter the date and time right here. Entry type, this is a trade. You can also choose here scale in and scale out, deposit, withdraw, all these type of things. We're not gonna cover all of this in this video. This is covered in the course right here. This trading journal is very advanced, guys, so you can do so many things with it. If I show you everything in this video, this video will be 2 hours long, right? So instead of me showing you everything, just go get the course and learn everything there. What I'm gonna show you now is just how to add your trades. So first we enter a BTC trade and let's find BTC right here to choose it. The next thing that you guys have to add here is your strategy. Now, in case you don't have access to our indicators, what I suggest you do is to go to the indicators tab, to the data tab and add here whatever strategy you are using. You're gonna add here your strategy. Let's name it my long strategy and you're gonna add my short strategy, whatever, right? Then you go back to the trades tab and you choose here my long strategy because for BTC we enter a long trade, right? Then you switch here to a long trade and you have to add your entry price. What is our entry price? You can go to the order history or the trade history to see the exact price that you enter. So for Bitcoin we entered at 51,474.6, 51,474.6. The amount of Bitcoin that we purchase is 0.67. To see the stop loss, you can go to the open orders, take profit stop losses. So the stop loss for our Bitcoin trade is at $50,000. Our take profit is at $53,500. This gives us 1.4 planned rewards to risk, and that's how you add your trades to the spreadsheet. Then later on, when you exit the trade, you go back here and you add your exit price. Let's say that we close the trade at our take profit target. You add here the exit price and you're gonna get your P&L updated. You guys can see that the close P&L is $1,357. This is on the first trade. You can see the account balance got updated after this trade. By the way, here you can add the fees. So let's say that you paid $30 in fees. You can add it right here and the fees will be deducted from your profit and loss. So you're gonna get a new updated P&L. That's for the Bitcoin trade. Let me show you how to enter the Ethereum trade. So you again search here Ethereum from our coins that we have, add here the strategy that you are using. So in this case we are shorting Ethereum. It's a short trade. Entry price, you can get it from the order history, 3,100.51, 3,100.55 I think, or what, yeah, 55. Then you get the take profit and stop losses from the open orders. So we have 3,003 and 3,150. So we have 3,150 for a stop loss and 3,000, excuse me, for a take profit target. And the amount of Ethereum that we shorted is 20.83. So you add all of this data here. You can see that our planned reward to risk is 2.0. So now let's say that you actually managed to close this trade, excuse me, at the take profit target, right? So you're gonna add it here and you guys are gonna get a new updated P&L. So you can see that our current account balance is now sitting at $103,000. And by the way, I forgot the fees, so let's say that you paid $50 in fees. Because this higher leverage, right, you're gonna add here the fees, you're gonna get the updated P&L, and that's how you basically add trades to the journal. Once you have some trades added, you can actually do an analysis, right, to figure out what your statistics are. You can see that our win rate at this point is 100% because out of 2 trades which we opened, we made money on 2 trades, right? We have 0 losing trades. You can see here a lot of data like trade expectancy, average RRR. You can see so many things, guys, in this journal. Again, I don't want this video to get too long, so I'm not gonna explain you everything, but if you get our courses here, you can learn everything. And that's how you trade with leverage and make money. By the way, if you wanna close your trades before the stop loss or the take profit gets hit, all you have to do is just to navigate to your position and market close it. So for example, you can see that on the Ethereum short here we have $140 in profit, 150 on the BTC long trade we have like $57 in loss. So let's say that you don't want to wait for a take profits or a stop loss to get hit, you can just market close your trades, and you do this by clicking these buttons right here. So market close, confirm, market close, confirm. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like that, and if you appreciate us giving you this course for free and a trading journal and everything, which normally costs a lot of money, let us know in the comments.